Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 night light won't turn off, fix it fast. First method is turn off night light. Second method is rollback display adapter driver. Third method is update display adapter driver. Fourth method is uninstall display adapter driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.